wala. So, ang nakuha kay si Theaetetus, the dialogue between Theaetetus and Socrates. But Plato is the sole author of this dialogue. Siya ang kuha. Si Socrates ang main author ng question. Theaetetus is about questioning what is knowledge. Theaetetus is the student of Theodotus. Theodotus, mathematician during sa Athens nga time niya. Theaetetus is a philosophical work that explore the nature of knowledge and the concept of truth. But before sa dialogue nila, kay si Theaetetus, paulit naman na nagsulat si Socrates. Si Socrates kay 60 years old. Kanina tayo na siya. Si Theaetetus kay mga bata pa siya, young. And then, ingon ni Theodotus, ana siya. Tapos, kay nagpahampog ni si Theodotus, nagkita, estudyante ito, kabatudyo kayo, bright kayo ng tao. Kanya nakita niya si Theaetetus, padulong sa iyo, gitawag niya. Diyan ang nabigyan ang dialogue. The main purpose of the dialogue is to determine a satisfactory definition of the knowledge that can withstand philosophical scrutiny. The dialogue proper begins with a conversation between Theodorus, Theaetetus' teacher, and Socrates, in which Theodotus praises Theaetetus highly because of his kanang maayo niya intellectually skilled si Theaetetus. But of course, the proposed definition of knowledge is they offer three proposed definition of knowledge: the sense perception, the knowledge as through judgment, knowledge as through judgment with an account. First, on the definition of knowledge, Theaetetus first utters the definition of knowledge by saying, "It seems to me that man who knows something perceives what he knows, and the way it appears at present, at any rate, is that knowledge in any simply perception." So, si Theaetetus, pagpamagdanan ni Socrates, what is knowledge? Kaya may daan idea si Theaetetus kung sa ang knowledge bisa ang gigamit niya ang mathematics and geometry. Kanya, naghatag siya lahi-lahi nga definition sa knowledge niya. Wa man na-satisfy si Socrates, kaya we all know Socrates, kanang sige siya pamungtana, pero dili siya kuha ng answer, pamungtana na siya. Dili siya muhatag og exact na kuha. Socrates brings Theaetetus to a realization that since precision cannot yield instance of knowledge beyond what we perceive about the world at any given moment. Since perceptions lead to contradicting claims regarding reality and thus cannot serve as the basis for knowledge, ngoni Socrates, dili na mo ipangita siguro. Ngita na kuha kay it cannot be lead to the basis of the reality. At the beginning, there was no being. Knowledge is true judgment. So, the second proposed definition according to which knowledge is true belief or judgment flows from the rejection of the first attempt at knowledge as perception. Perception is not accepted as insufficient for the knowledge since it is limited to the apprehension of macrosensibles such as hot, cold, red, and proportion content also cannot even get a being. Knowledge is the same as true judgment, is to maintain that true judgment itself is the sole source of authority and infallibility concerning knowledge. It is noteworthy that this was implied by the earlier proposal that knowledge is perception. Perception there is rejected to be knowledge because perception is infallible and that truth is sufficient for attaining knowledge. Socrates. the same as true judgment. Then whenever you make a correct judgment, you have knowledge. According to Socrates. Kung ang imong judgment daw na whenever you judge correctly, you have knowledge. Katulong, knowledge as true judgment with an account. The repetition of the definition of knowledge as true judgment shows that true judgment by itself is not sufficient for knowledge. Gadica's definition of knowledge is that things of which there is no account is not knowable, whereas things which have an account are knowable. Kanina po nga, ikatry nga definition sa knowledge, kay produkto na po sa ikadua nga knowledge, ang girefute ni Socrates, kay dili man mutuo si Socrates nga kato daw ang sole source of knowledge. Kanang kung unsa daw ang dili makita, dili to knowledge. Kung unsa ang makita, mo to knowledge. However, Socrates held that even her knowledge cannot be found. Explanation generally seeks to understand an object in terms of its parts, such that an understanding of this part is held to constitute an explanation of the object as a whole. Socrates maintained that this notion of explanation fails to give an essence of an object. Katong kuan niya ani kung basahan niyo ang iyang kuan katong example ni Socrates itong sa jury. Conclusion. Socrates and Theaetetus thus conclude that each of these proposals is sufficient. Yet they maintain that we are wiser for at least having considered each proposal in turn. Nya, dili man daw sila magkasinabot kay hangtod sa hangtod, wala si Socrates, dili siya satisfied sa gipangingon ni gipangingon ni Theaetetus. Nya, si Theaetetus wala na po siya kuan ikatubag kay Socrates. Kay Wer duman ni si Socrates, sige pangutanan nga dili siya muhatag og definite nga answer. Ang iharap is mangutana. So all of those three proposed definition of knowledge was not be answered. Kanang wala to na answeran hangtod nga sila nagkakuan, hangtod sila nagbulag. Pero they remain that they are wise. They are wiser. They are wise. Thank you.